Paying rent with Bilt is quick and easy, even if your landlord isn't a part of the Bilt network. If you're a Bilt member, you can pay your rent using Venmo as an exclusive benefit to members with the Bilt Mastercard. Here's how it works. Open the Bilt app or website and navigate to the Pay Rent tab. First, you'll need to authorize your payment by entering your rent amount. This ensures that the payment you'll make via Venmo matches the amount you've approved. Once you've set up your authorization, choose Venmo as your payment method. Review the details on the screen and authorize your payment. Now, head over to your Venmo account and make your rent payment. You'll only need to add your bill pay routing and account numbers the first time you pay with Venmo. After that, you won't need to re-enter your bill pay account numbers for future payments. Continue to come back to the Bilt app each month to authorize your rent payments before making them via Venmo. And that's it. You'll earn Bilt Points with every rent payment. And your payments should show up in your account within 1 to 2 business days.